Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, then know about this channel. This channel is all about my skincare review journey. Right now, I'm testing and trying out some Korean serums and sharing my honest beginner friendly thoughts. And this video isn't sponsored. Okay, first, if you're wondering that you should use a serum or not, the answer to it is if you have really oily or the combination skin, or you're struggling with the acne, enlarged pores, or the skin that gets really red and irritated always, then this one might be the perfect for you. It's designed to soothe, balance, refine, and hydrate your skin all at once by itself. Let's talk about the brand really quick now. Beauty of Joyson is a Korean skincare brand inspired by traditional herbal ingredients. They are cruelty free and most of their products are fragrance free. But except for the serum, because this contains a bit of tea tree oil. And talking about their packaging, and I feel that their packaging is so simple and pretty, which gives me the soft, minimal look. I have been using the serum for last 2.5 months, I guess. And at first, I was super inconsistent because I was so lazy to do this all kind of routines. And then second thing, my skin is very sensitive, and when I apply any new serum on my face, I get some kind of reaction, and that doesn't come that true. But in this case, in the serum, I got some tiny red bumps on my face. Then I stopped using it for some interval of time. Then I started using consistently and I saw the results too. And mostly I use the serum at the night routine and sometimes in the morning, but mostly at the right time. And talking about the texture, which is so thick and goopy, but it feels very nice way, and it smoothly spreads evenly on the skin and sinks well also, absorbs well also, and doesn't take that much time. But yes, it absorbs quickly, and it also doesn't feel any greasy or a sticky layers, or we have a sticky layer on our face by using this product. Now, if we talk about the key ingredients which helps the serum to work that perfect to our skin, which contains a 60% propolis extract, which is sourced from the bees, and it has a soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, which is great for calming irritated or acne pore skin. And second thing is the main ingredient, 2% niacinamide, which is also we have that in many of the serums, and it's kind of a multitasker. And I feel that this component is must in each everyone's routine. So it helps in balancing the oil, reduces the look of the pores, brightening the skin, and supports the skin barrier too. And it also contains a 0.5% of BHA, which is a gentle exfoliatant that helps unclog the pores and smooth the skin textures over time. And yes, this one does contain a small amount of a tea tree oil, which I said before also, that actually helps you to reduce the inflammation. And especially if you are breaking out consistently, then it is benefit for this will help you a lot. And if you have a sensitive skin to essential oils, then first you have to must try a patch test before using the serum. And personally, I found this very calming, and it helped me to reduce the redness and gave my skin a nice healthy glow. And I didn't notice any miracles overnight, but it is a slow process. But over time, it definitely gives my skin a smooth, balanced look and a bit kind of a glowy look. Obviously, it's a Korean product, so it would be giving me the glowy skin also. I hope that in more few months. And if you're dealing with a lot of oils and acne breakouts, then the serum will be totally worth for you. That's it. This was my quick take on the glow serum from the Beauty of Joyson. If your skin really needs something calming and glow, then I would be saying you that this one would be a definitely one to try. And thank you for watching. More K beauty reviews coming on your way. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you are into it. So till that, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.